What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 11/4/2021. I'm doing our 2021 Panini Select Basketball Choose Team 2-box break number 6. All right, break number 6 filled before break number 5. Here we go, guys. Atlanta Hawks and the Celtics is Y. Tom K has the Nets, and Bin T has the Hornets. We got Dustin L with the Bulls and Derek H with the Cavs. Christopher D with the Mavericks and Matt R with the Nuggets. We got Tom D with the Pistons, Christopher D with the Warriors, and Jeremy W with the Rockets. Kurt D has the Pacers, and Caleb S.A. has the Clippers. Matt R has the Lakers. The Grizzlies is Andre T. The Heat is Christopher D. We got Brian K with the Bucks and Kurt D with the T-Wolves. Aaron F has the Pelicans. Christopher D has the Knicks. Aaron F with the Thunder, and Y with the Magic. Derek H with the 76ers, and Balraj T with the Suns. Travis S with the Blazers, Aaron F with the Kings, Dave C with the Spurs, Derek H Raptors, Dennis J with his Jazz, and Y has the Wizards. Here we go, guys. Going to encase your hits, your color, your numbers, and your silvers. 2 boxes, short and sweet here. Looking for the zebra prisms. I've got this. Another one of these from this case, the last 2 boxes, that's number 5 or whatever it is. And then we have number 1 of the Select Hybrid Mix. It's 1 box of the basketball hobby and 2 boxes of the hybrid. All right, so here we go. Let's kill those footballs. Let's get them going here. Elijah Moore just got a touchdown. Everybody's selling on Zach Wilson already. I haven't given the kid a chance. Great coupon code with the 15% off. Check your email for additional coupon codes on the football. Smash the thumbs up, as Travis just said. All right, here's 1 box of High Society. Let's take a look. All right, we got Karl Anthony Towns, Josh Green. Our silver is Davis Bertans. I am going to sleeve your rookies. That's for sure. All right. Jordan Nwora to 99 relic auto leads us off here. That is the Bucks. And that is Brian K. Congrats, Brian, on that one. All right, Jason Tatum. Giannis showing up. Obi Toppin, we be poppin'. And Isaac Okoro rookie red die cut. That's the 175. Come down a little here. Aaron Naismith rookie. How about a Devin Vassell silver rookie? Very nice. Damian Lillard, that's a courtside. And how about a Xavier Tillman to 249, our second auto, going to the Grizzle. And that is Andre T. Andre T getting that one. Jaylen Brown. Saban Lee, Pugaseski, Ellaby, Here's a scope of Klay Thompson. Ooh, here's a LaMelo. Very nice. LaMelo sighting. I'll get that one sleeved right up. All right, Emmanuel Quickly to 199. How about a Weissman? Very nice. A Weissman base and a LaMelo base in here. Vucevic. Zach LaVine, silver. All right, we got Devin Vassell. That's a courtside, right? What are those? All right. Keldon Johnson, premier level. It's a silver. Maxey, Jalen Smith. Azubuike. There's a scope rookie of Patrick Williams. Very solid box here. Hachimura, Kira Lewis, and Markelle Fultz, relic, Magic, WY. Aaron Naismith, silver. Some nice silver rookies showing up. And Domantas Sabonis, silver. All right. Let's see what's in box 2. So very solid first box. Really thick pack right here. Really thick pack. Yeah, that's a hit. We're going to put that there. That's a thick pack. We'll look at that last. It's probably a thick relic, but still. All right, let's see what we got. Hachimura kicks it off. Another LaMelo base. Very nice. Aaron Naismith futures. A silver Sadiq Bey rookie. Killian Hayes. McDaniel. A scope of D.A. Aaron Fox. Aneke Okongwu rookie. All right, what do we got here? Zach LaVine. All right. So this will have to get random unless someone owns Minnesota. No. Minnesota's Kurt and the Bulls is Dustin. So I'm going to have to random this. Zach LaVine will have to get randomed. Got a Drew Holiday silver. Blake Griffin. How about a Donovan Mitchell silver? Very nice. Courtside D'Angelo Russell. Zion showing up. All right, silver Killian Hayes for the Pistons. So a lot of good rookie silvers showing up. Emmanuel Quickly. A red Theo Maledon. Kobe White, Sabin Lee, Malachi Flynn, Bogdan Bogdanovic. So that thick card should be an auto, but who knows? They could give us 2. To 65, Kevin Love, orange die cut. Red, white, and blue rookie Sabin Lee, Emmanuel Quickly, Campazzo. How about a... Well, it's a 101 night, guys. 1-on-1 night. Boom! Celtics. Who's got them? Y. Peyton Pritchard, 1/1. Just that kind of night. Fermentation at its best here, guys. Peyton Pritchard, 1/1. That is a beauty. Y getting that one. Peyton Pritchard, 1/1. Y getting that one right there. And we still have that thick card left. I just sleeved that one up. All right, red, white, and blue, Brandon Clark. Guys, the last two boxes of this case is sitting over there. We can close it out. Josh Green. All right, Yusuf Nurkic, silver. Silver, Mitchell Robinson. And Okongwu, courtside, rookie. All right, let me move my rookies here out of the way, and we'll take a look at this thick card here to end it. All right, we got Drummond, we got Robert Clark, we got a Carmelo for the Trailblazers, red, white, and blue, a Cassius Stanley, and our last one here is to 25. It is the Kings, Robert Woodward II. Whew. What a two-box break. Tie-dye, Woodward II, headed to the Kings. Aaron F., there you go, buddy. Stepped up, got the Kings, get a beautiful three-color RPA tie-dye. All right, let me do the random for this Zach LaVine here. So let me set up random.org real quick here. Let's see, random.org. What happened to my random.org? There it is. Dice list. All right. Dustin has one spot. The Bulls. Minnesota is Kurt D. Kurt D has two spots. T-Wolves. It's been a while since I've had to do a random. T-Wolves. All right, let me put this in a holder so I can put a sticky on it to see who wins. All right. Here we go. Go over to random.org here. There's our dice. We're going to roll the dice. Whatever number comes up is what we'll random the list. If it does come up with 2, we'll do it 3 times. Dice say 7. Participants are placed in location on the card. So T-Wolves are going to go in first here. Bulls second because it's left to right, top to bottom. And you also go in based on the number of spots you purchase. We do a weighted random. Kurt D had the Pacers and the T-Wolves, and Dustin had the Bulls. So 7 times. Let's see who gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It is the T-Wolves. All right, let me write that down. T-Wolves. Got it. Perfect. T-Wolves. Okay, 7 times. 7 times. All right, guys, appreciate you filling it up, and I'll get it shipped out in the next shipping batch.